Kefir is a fermented milk drink. It is pronounced kefir. Kefir is made by adding kefir grains to milk. Kefir grains are not actual grains. They are a combination of bacteria and yeast. The mixture ferments, creating a tangy, fizzy drink. Kefir is like yogurt, but kefir has more probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria. They are good for your gut. Kefir has been around for centuries. It is a staple in many cultures. Kefir is becoming popular worldwide. People are discovering its health benefits. Kefir is a nutritious and versatile drink. It can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Kefir is a nutrient-rich drink, known for its numerous health benefits and rich nutritional profile. This fermented beverage is made from milk and kefir grains, which are a combination of bacteria and yeast. 1 cup, or 8 ounces of kefir contains about 139 calories, making it a relatively low-calorie option for a nutritious drink. It has 8 grams of fat, most of which is saturated fat. However, the fat content can vary depending on the type of milk used to make the kefir. Kefir has 91 milligrams of sodium, which is relatively low compared to other dairy products. It has 9 grams of carbohydrates, which is lower than milk. This is because the fermentation process breaks down some of the lactose, the sugar found in milk. Fermentation reduces the carbohydrate content, making kefir a suitable option for those who are lactose intolerant. Kefir has 7 grams of sugar, which is significantly lower than many other sweetened dairy products. Kefir is a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. It provides 8 grams of protein per cup, making it a great addition to a balanced diet. This protein is complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These amino acids are important for building and repairing tissues, supporting overall health and wellness. Kefir is an excellent source of calcium, which is vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. 1 cup provides 300 milligrams of calcium, which is 30% of the recommended daily value, helping to meet your daily nutritional needs. Kefir also contains vitamin A, providing 6% of the recommended daily value. Vitamin A is important for vision, immune function, and skin health. Kefir is full of probiotics, which are beneficial microorganisms that can have a positive impact on your health. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are especially good for your digestive system. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. These beneficial microorganisms can aid in digestion and help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and gas. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which can boost your immune system. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and staying healthy. Kefir may improve digestion and can help with problems like constipation and diarrhea. Regular consumption of kefir can promote a healthier digestive tract. Kefir may also reduce lactose intolerance symptoms. This is because the fermentation process breaks down lactose, making it easier to digest for those who are lactose intolerant. The fermentation process not only breaks down lactose, but also produces beneficial compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the body. Reducing inflammation is crucial for overall health, as chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease and arthritis. Some studies suggest kefir may improve symptoms of autoimmune disorders, though more research is needed in this area. The potential benefits are promising and worth exploring further. Kefir's high calcium content contributes to strong bones. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Adequate calcium intake is essential for bone health, and kefir can be a delicious way to help meet your daily calcium needs. Kefir can be part of a balanced diet that supports bone density and overall health. Including kefir in your diet can provide a range of nutrients that are beneficial for your body. Some research suggests kefir may have cancer-fighting properties. Studies have shown that kefir may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. The potential of kefir in cancer prevention and treatment is an exciting area of ongoing study. Kefir is generally safe for consumption. However, some people may experience adverse effects. If you have a milk allergy, avoid kefir. Kefir contains casein and whey. These are proteins found in milk. Kefir contains small amounts of alcohol. This is due to the fermentation process. The alcohol content is usually very low. However, people with alcohol sensitivity should be mindful of this. Some individuals may experience digestive issues after consuming kefir. This may include gas or cramping. These effects are usually mild and temporary. Starting with a small amount of kefir can help your body adjust. Kefir comes in different varieties, each offering unique flavors and nutritional benefits. Flavored kefir is a popular option among consumers. It comes in flavors like strawberry, chocolate, and even more exotic options like mango and blueberry. However, be mindful of added sugars and calories, as some flavored varieties can be high in these. You can find kefir with different fat content, catering to various dietary preferences. It is available in non-fat, low-fat, and whole milk varieties, allowing for flexibility in your diet. This allows you to choose an option that fits your dietary needs and personal taste preferences. Non-dairy kefir is also available for those who avoid animal products. It is made with coconut or almond milk, providing a creamy texture without dairy. This is a suitable option for vegans and people with lactose intolerance, ensuring everyone can enjoy kefir. Water kefir is another variety that is gaining popularity. It is fermented with a water base, making it a lighter alternative to milk-based kefir. Water kefir often has added sweeteners and flavors, enhancing its taste. It has a lighter taste than milk kefir, making it a refreshing choice for those who prefer a milder flavor. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining kefir's quality and safety. Refrigerate kefir before and after opening. This slows down the fermentation process. It helps preserve the probiotics. Check for signs of spoilage. Discard kefir if there is a strong odor. Mold, fuzz, clumping, or color changes are also signs of spoilage. Kefir usually lasts about 5 days after opening. Proper storage ensures that you enjoy kefir's taste and health benefits. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for storage. Kefir is a probiotic powerhouse. It offers a range of health benefits. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, kefir is a nutritious addition to any diet. Explore the different varieties. Find the one you enjoy the most. What are your thoughts on kefir? Have you experienced its benefits? Share your comments and questions below. Let's discuss the power of kefir together. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to detox from sugar and learn how to curb your sugar cravings, watch the video on your screen next.